Hello, my name is Filippos Koulyras and I'm the head of product at Fedex with extensive experience in managing complex products and senior product teams across different organizations and industries. Over the last 10 years, I have worked with some of the biggest companies, including Adidas, Booking.com and Reed Elsevier, and have built end-to-end experiences in complex environments, marketplace platforms and e-commerce sites. Now I would like to share my expertise with you. This is an advanced level course designed to support product managers who are responsible for leading multiple products by looking at real-world examples, your own experiences, and the experiences of your virtual classroom peers. You will learn to identify key competencies relevant for becoming a successful product manager, build a product strategy that aligns with the business goals, and develop the skills to effectively manage an agile product team and key stakeholders. Some of the topics we will cover in class include understanding the key skills you need to have to become successful as a product manager, defining a product vision and mission, and revisiting the key elements of a product strategy. This is an advanced level course, offers you 5 weeks of live interactive lessons, during which I will guide you in creating an actionable product KPI framework, building a product career map, and developing a high-level product plan and pitch. There are 6 practical and reflective exercises waiting for you after class, as well as many interactive in-class exercises. Bringing all those elements together, you will leave the classroom with a fresh perspective on how to develop and launch successful products that meet the needs of your customers and drive business growth. See you in class.